Hi friends, welcome to my channel Pushpa. Somebody don't know about the saving of WhatsApp statuses. We are definitely in aware of status of WhatsApp, and we don't know how to save a status in WhatsApp. Please try to follow my video or to save the WhatsApp status and to find out how to save the WhatsApp status. And maybe some of you know and some of you don't know. Please follow as how I'm going to do the save and sharing and moving files to one place to another place. Now I'm going to start explaining, and please install the app Google Files from the Play Store. Regarding Android phones, I'm telling about the Android phones. Install the Google Files app. So automatically in Google Files app, everything has been saved, like your photos and images, whatever in your gallery, it's all automatically saved in that. You can see them, but the WhatsApp, coming to the WhatsApp status, you cannot find them because those are our hidden files. So we need to do some settings for the Google Files. Go to the settings, go to the settings in file, and you need to enable the hidden files. You need to enable the hidden files. Show hidden files enabled. You can see here the blue button is there. It's enabled symbol. And once turn off from the app and again turn on the app. Again I'm opening the app Google Files and open the. You can go to the internal storage, as I don't have any memory card, so that I'm maintaining only internal storage is there here. In internal storage there is WhatsApp folder will be there separately. You can find WhatsApp here, and I'm going to check the WhatsApp here. See, you can see the WhatsApp folder separately. All the folders are you can see here, all kind of apps folders. See, I have opened the WhatsApp. In WhatsApp you can find media in media it is from statuses. All statuses will be saved in the media. You can see here WhatsApp videos and all also you can get from here. The app name is Google Files, and I'm opening statuses. As you know, you can see all the statuses over here. You can share, you can open with, you can copy to the memory card, and you can delete it permanently too. You can share it from here. As is one way to save the statuses, there are many ways to save the statuses, and there is third party tools are there to save the statuses. Three kind of third party tools are there to save the WhatsApp status videos, photos, whatever. You can move it to trash. You can save it in a folder. You can add to your favorites. As I don't have memory card, it is asking to store in the internal storage itself. If you have a memory card, it might be asking a memory card status, right? You guys understood? I think you guys understood this. This is I have saved it. I'm going to share it from here to another place. Open with, move to. I'm opening with. You can save it. For your doubts, please write in the comments, friends, that I have explained you WhatsApp status saving. See this one picture. I'm going to open with view photos. I'm going to open with photos. See here, this is one photo. Pics are there here from my status. So one more kind of a one more kind of a thing to open status in WhatsApp and saving status from WhatsApp. It's a third party tool that we can install and save the WhatsApp status. My internet is down, my mobile it also I have connected to the Wi-Fi now. So I'm changing the internet. So nothing about to worry about it. And I'm going to download a status, WhatsApp status saver app. You can install it and you can install it and you can save it very like in a cool way. So one thing that I have shared before is Google Files. That is a not third party tool, the same tool. This is a third party tool that I am installing separately for the status download of WhatsApp. It's going to install now. Let's wait for 2 minutes for that, as my mobile data is very slow. So meanwhile, I'm showing you the website. Please install this and you can have an update on every latest news about technical, about mobiles, whatever. Please check. I'll share you the link in the description of website. If any Telugu viewers are there, you can read it clearly here to download a status from Google Files. It's clearly explained in Telugu. If not that I have shown you before, right? Please follow that. You can install and you can save the status very cool in a very cool way. Very cool way. Please check it. I am scrolling slowly. Telugu viewers can read it and you can do it. Check the website here, tlmforall.com. So that the information shared today for in the website today. You can see here point to point that has given here TLM for all. A technical information, technical learning materials also here. And one more kind of a thing like a save status in WhatsApp. It's opening. Save status app is opening. It's installed already. It's opening now. So it is one ad. Don't worry about this. It's going to close now. So here it's asking me to allow. It's asking me the permission to allow. See, all the status is here. You can see it. Images, videos, and saved. So only the status files are opening here in the third party tool here. You can check it out and you can save it anywhere. It is saved successfully in your gallery. It's saving your selection of your internal storage or external with the memory card. See here, it has saved. See here, you can check here. It has saved in your gallery, in your photos, videos, in your albums, in your gallery. It's stored here in your files. So that is the way to save the status. One more way to save the status. Save status app. Install the save status app and you can save it cool. And you can check it here too. It has been downloaded. So it's going to be asking it's another thing. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubts, write in comments. Any other questions, write in comments. Any replies, please write in comments. Thank you for watching, friends. Please subscribe my channel, Pushpa's channel. So please share me the technical information from you too. Also, I'm expecting. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, friends.